Are you looking to streamline the way you manage employees and freelancers in ClickUp, but not sure where to start? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use ClickUp's powerful templates to organize your staff effortlessly, save hours every week, and keep your projects running smoothly, whether you're working with full-time team members or remote freelancers. Let's jump right into the process, and I'll walk you through each step slowly, making sure you not only know what to click, but understand why each choice makes a difference for your workflow. First, let's head to your ClickUp home screen. This is basically your mission control. From here, you can access everything related to your organization. Our goal today is to create a dedicated space for managing employees and freelancers, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel or waste time tracking people down later. Hover over to your team space. If you think of your team space like the office within ClickUp, this is where your groups, departments, or remote cohorts live. When you're managing employees and freelancers, having clear team spaces keeps communication and organization crisp and easy to follow. Once you're in your team space, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More menu. These dots are a hidden gem in ClickUp. Clicking there opens up all sorts of advanced options. Select Template. What this does is let you access reusable structures, so all your projects and people are set up in a consistent, organized way without having to manually recreate lists over and over. Now hit Browse Templates. At this point, you'll notice there are loads of options. If you're feeling overwhelmed, just use the search bar at the top and type in employees and freelancers. This will narrow things down and help you locate templates tailored specifically for managing team members. These templates are designed to track tasks, deadlines, contact info, pretty much anything you need to stay on top of your management game. Once the matching templates appear, take a minute to pick the one that fits your workflow best. Do you need lots of task details or just a general overview? Think about how you actually work day to day. Choosing the right template now saves you trouble later. When you find your template, click Use Template. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your template. I recommend naming it something clear like Remote Team Management or Freelancer Tracker so you can always find it at a glance. You can also customize certain areas. Maybe you want to add a column for payment dates or prioritize certain freelance skills. Make those changes here and don't rush. This part is worth spending a few extra minutes to get everything just the way you need it. When you're happy with your setup, hit Use Template again to finalize your workspace. And guess what? You can always go back and rename or edit your template anytime. ClickUp is super flexible, so it's easy to tweak things as your business grows or your team changes. One important tip, whenever you edit or customize data in your template, like adding new fields, swapping out list views, or changing team assignments, make sure you update your template overall. Otherwise, new projects based on this template might not match up with the changes you just made. Keeping everything in sync helps prevent confusion and ensures your whole team is working from the same playbook. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up a reliable, reusable system for managing employees and freelancers in ClickUp, freeing up more time for the creative work that really matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about templates or managing teams in ClickUp, leave a comment. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow guides for mastering your digital workspace, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.